On today's virtual tour, we make Casey Soderlund famous. Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate. Today's virtual tour is Bath Crate Mission Falls Circle in Elk Grove, California. This is a project designed by Bath Crate designer Casey Soderlund, designer extraordinaire, and I look forward to sharing this project with you. Let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to notice is that this thing went from old 1990s or 2000s finishes to some beautiful, clean, nice, dark, rich finishes. The new tile floor, 12 by 24, creates a beautiful foundation for this bathroom when you walk in. Then you're going to notice the vanity. The vanity is completely refinished. Those are actually the original door and drawer faces. They're painted out in Kelly-Moore Durapoxy paint with new hardware and topped by a really cool blue-gray granite countertop with two undermount sinks. Now, let's kind of go over to the shower area. You're going to see a beautiful new frameless glass enclosure. We actually made this shower larger as well by bringing out the footprint of the shower a little bit towards the bathroom, the inside of the bathroom. And then we kept the tub, but of course create a new surround around it that matches with the shower area. And once again, the way this project came together, it's absolutely gorgeous. Last but not least, we did some modifications for this customer. They wanted to take out the door to the toilet room, turn it into a cased opening, so we were able to do that for them all at the same time. So if you have questions about your Bath Crate project, we'd love to chat with you. Visit kbCRATE.com to see hundreds of past projects, or give us a call, 888-995-7996. Thanks so much.